Hello everyone, welcome to our new video in which we will be solving our SAT math question. So what does this question say? Let's see first. So we are given a parabola and its vertex 7 by 3 comma minus 4. Also the points at which the parabola intersects x-axis 10 comma 0 and a comma 0. These 2 points are the x-intercepts of the parabola. So what does the question is asking us? It is asking us to find the value of a. So let's see the graph of parabola first. Hmm, uh, Parabola can be like this. So we are given the point of vertex. Uh, let's say this is the point of vertex and its value is 7 by 3 comma minus 4. Also a comma 0 is one of the x-intercept and another is 10 comma 0 is and the x-intercepts. These two are the points at which the parabola intersects x-axis. So one thing that we need to know about parabola is that the midpoint of x-intercept in parabola, my bad, I missed an A, parabola is equal to the x coordinate of the vertex. Yeah, the midpoint of x-intercept in parabola is equals to the x-coordinate of vertex. That is, uh, okay, let's take this. The midpoint of A, x-coordinate of one of the x-intercept, and the midpoint of A and 10 is equals to the x-coordinate of the vertex, that is 7 by 3. So for the solving this, A plus 10 by 2 is equals to 7 by 3. Yeah, that's it. 7 by 3. So A is mm, going to be A plus 10 is going to be 14 by 3 and A is equals to 14 by 3 minus 10. This is equals to 16 by 3. So 16 by 3 is our answer. A is equals to 16 by 3, which is the option D. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.